How to get a free Steam gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first way to get a free Steam gift card is through online surveys and reward websites. Numerous websites offer rewards for completing surveys, watching videos, or engaging in other activities. Or you can also use GPT Get Paid to websites. GPT websites are similar to survey platforms but offer a wide range of tasks including playing games, downloading apps, and participating in trials. Next thing you can do is use cashback apps and websites. Some cashback apps and websites offer reward in the form of gift card including Steam cards. Next is social media giveaway and contest. You want to keep an eye on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for giveaways and contents hosted by gaming influencers, community, or brands. By participating in these contents, you could win free Steam gift cards. Next is referral programs. Many websites and apps offer referral programs where you can earn rewards for inviting friends to join. Share your referral link with friends and families and earn points or cashback for each successful referral. If you have unused gift cards from other retailers, you can consider trading them for Steam gift cards. Websites like CardCash and Vase allow users to sell or trade their unwanted gift cards for the one they'll actually use. This way you can return those unwanted gift cards into credits for your favorite games on Steam. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.